see them everywhere: industrial halls, warehouses, logistics centers, and commercial spaces. Today, over 75% of new industrial and commercial buildings in Europe are constructed with thermal insulation panels due to their energy efficiency, long-term structural strength, and speed of installation. But how is a panel that supports millions of square meters of modern construction manufactured? Let's discover the manufacturing process step by step. The manufacturing process for thermal insulation panels begins with the careful selection of raw materials. The first step is choosing high-quality galvanized steel sheet, available in a variety of thicknesses, sizes, and colors. Depending on the type of panel being produced, the selected roll is handled and secured on the production line drum using a rolling bridge operated by specialized personnel. In the next stage, the steel roll is fed into the line flow on the automatic unwinder, where the continuous finishing process begins. The inner and outer sheets then pass through a corona device equipped with electrodes, which cleans their surface of impurities and prepares it for the next stages. This is followed by the application of a PVC protective film, an adhesive layer that protects the outer faces of the sheet throughout the manufacturing and transport process. After this stage, the steel sheet enters the micro-profiling process, where it is shaped according to the type of panel produced. In this case, these are thermal insulation panels for walls. The upper and lower sheets are then processed by the side profiling rollers that form the panel jointing system, ensuring a precise and tight fit. Next, the two sheets pass through a preheating oven, where they are brought to a controlled temperature set according to technological parameters. This step is essential to facilitate optimal adhesion of the polyurethane foam to the surface of the steel sheet. Then a first layer of polyurethane is applied to secure the adhesion between the insulating foam and the metal coating. Next, side strips and sealing gaskets are applied, and with the help of unwinders located on either side of the lower sheet, the side sealing adhesive tape is applied. The next step is the injection of polyurethane foam in liquid form through an injection head with specially calibrated nozzles, which ensure uniform distribution of the insulating material. The two steel sheets then reach the press, called a double puller, where the panel is formed and the foam curing process begins. After the foam has been evenly distributed, the panel enters a double roller press, adjusted to the specified thickness. Here, the expansion and maturation process of the insulating foam takes place at temperatures of 40 or 65 degrees Celsius, depending on the type of foam used. The finished panel is then cut to the desired length using a high-precision cutting device. After cutting, the panels are transported to the comb-type cooling and storage facility, where they stabilize their final properties. From here, the thermal insulation panels are tipped, stacked in packages, and directed to the packaging unit, where they are protected with stretch film. To guarantee performance and safety in use, each batch of thermal insulation panels is subjected to rigorous mechanical tests: shear strength, compression strength, and tensile strength. These tests verify the behavior of the panels under real conditions of use and confirm compliance with quality standards. The thermal insulation panels, ready packaged, are now ready for delivery, ensuring performance, durability, and consistent quality in every project. Delivery is flexible and tailored to the needs of each project. The panels can be delivered to storage facilities throughout Europe, DIY store chains, or directly to construction sites, ensuring speed, safety, and continuity in the execution of projects.